Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I have a beautiful card for you that is so easy to create. Of course, you can change this up to any color combination that you would like. I'm using Melon Mambo on my sample here, but we're actually going to make it in Tempting Turquoise just to show you a little variety. And I am featuring the Amazing You and Celebrate You choices from this celebration special going on now until the end of March. This is the the Amazing You stamp set, and then the Celebrate You framelits include these 3 pieces, and they are so awesome, and you can do all kinds of fun things with them. So let's get started on our card. It's really quite simple to create. I'm going to start by protecting my work surface with just a scrap piece of paper. And then I have started with a 4 by 5¼ inch piece of cardstock. I went ahead and die cut the Celebrate right out of the center. That way I didn't need to have another scrap piece to die cut it with, because we're going to cover it up with our layers of cardstock, which let me just grab so I can show you. So you can see it totally fits underneath there, so that's kind of perfect, isn't it? What I did do though is I cut a 3 by 4 inch piece of printed paper. This is from the Pick a Pattern DSP. There's 2 black and white patterns in there, so you actually can make up to 48 of these cards with that one pack of cardstock, which is kind of awesome. Plus you'll have tons of leftover cardstock for other projects. And then I also have die cut myself a heart. You can use the heart from either the mini treat bag thinlits or the Sweet and Sassy thinlits. Those are the layering hearts. Either one will work just fine. Okay, so to put this together, I'm going to take my stamp from the Amazing You stamp set, and I'm going to stamp that in Bermuda Bay ink on my Bermuda Bay cardstock. And like I said, you can do this in so many different color combinations. It's actually pretty awesome. So I'm just going to kind of alter the direction that I'm stamping this all the way around my card. It's so pretty. I just re-inked this Bermuda Bay ink pad, so it's nice and juicy, and I love the wonderful vibrant color I'm getting on here. And we'll just fill that last bit in. Okay, so there is our panel. We'll set that aside, and then I'm also going to take another piece of 4 by 5¼ and I'm going to just stamp this going along the side like so to decorate the inside of my card, which I think will be lovely. So this will go on the inside. Okay, close that up. And I've got a basic black card base, which I'll fold up here. And then, like I said, this goes on the inside. Since it's black, it's nice to put a nice light color of cardstock on the inside so that you can see and write better. Okay, and then on the outside, of course, we'll just layer this up. I think I'm getting near the end of my fast fuse. Okay. Then my other 2 layers here. I mean, this really is easy. I also think this is a fun card layout. So if you didn't want to use these stamps or this design, you can certainly substitute others. So whether you are going to put something else as far as printed paper or as far as a shape that you design your stamping here, or a shape that you're adding here, like a star would be fun. It's all up to you, and you can get lots of different looks with this basic card layout. Okay, now I've got my Celebrate. So to adhere that to my card, I'm going to take out my silicone mat. I love this silicone mat for so many different uses. My favorite is, I'm going to squirt a little bit of liquid glue out, and then I'm going to sponge that adhesive right on here like so. Okay, and actually first I need to adhere this to my card, I just realized. So I'll place that right there. Oh, silver and Bermuda always look good together. And then this I can adhere right over the top. Now the cool part about this is I think Celebrate You can go for so many different occasions, whether it is a Valentine, for maybe a friend, or like I think this would be great for me to send to my sister, or for actually what I intend to do with these is I'm giving them to my team this month for celebrating their accomplishments, which I love. I love, 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 love that. And I think they're going to like these too. So, ooh, that was crooked. We'll just try that again. I just have a little scrap piece of paper that's left over. Gosh, I'm stamping bad. A little scrap piece of paper left over from trimming out cardstock. Let's see if I can get that. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? I will tell you what's wrong. My butt was not sticking out, and that is the key to successful stamping, in my personal opinion. When your butt is out, things stamp straight. I promise you it works. Okay, I'll just even this up. And then I'm just going to pop this up right here. Now I could also do the little flag ends if I wanted. Either way, I'm going to take just a little hunk of my edge piece of my dimensionals and then pop this right on here. So I will show you, I've cut a bunch of cardstock so I can make these in a whole bunch of different color combinations. And let me show you what those look like. So I've cut all these different colors and I'm trying to decide which one is my favorite. And I can't quite decide. I obviously will need to put them together before I pick. But aren't these fun? It's just a rainbow of happy colors. I had an extra piece of soft sky in there, but look at all these fun colors, and I think so many of them will look so fantastic with that printed paper. So can't wait to make these up for my team because I have all kinds of cards to send out this month, which I love. Anyway, if you liked any of these products and would like to purchase them, I would love to earn your business as your demonstrator. There are links in the description of this video to both my blog post featuring my card here, as well as the supplies that I used in this project that you can check out. And all of them are in my online store. And of course, when you order through the Creativity Cave, you become a VIP Rewards member, which means that you get all kinds of perks, and all those details are on my blog. Of course, I love sending thank you cards out to my customers, and I love being a demonstrator for you. And when you support the Creativity Cave, you help bring more awesome videos just like this one to you each week. So thank you guys for stamping with me today. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you again soon. Bye.